What's up, guys? It's my everyday beauty routine. Now that I got a chance to show you my skincare review, we're going to go through how I do my makeup every day, and we're going to start with my infamous brows. I can't begin to tell you guys how many people ask me about my brows every day. It takes me a little while to do them. And believe it or not, you can book an appointment at 988 Concept to have a brow tutorial or a makeup tutorial or to get your face done. I rarely show how I do my brows because they're usually done before I start my makeup routine in a video. But today I wanted to show you guys everything from the beginning and include everything that I use. I also wanted to chit chat with you guys a little bit, which I'm not very good at doing while I'm doing my makeup. So here you see that I'm just cleaning up my brows. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer. They are so affordable, about $5.99 Canadian. I buy them at Clore, and it seems to do the trick for me. I love a lot of other more expensive concealers, but for my everyday, I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to clean up my brows and to lay as a base for my eyeshadow. The preciseness of my brows, sometimes people don't like, but me personally, I like it, and I just kind of clean it up and try to buff out as much as I can so I don't have the halo effect, which you can see me doing right now. Once I buff that out, I'm going to use this palette. It's actually a Hard Candy matte shadow palette. I actually really like it. I picked it up in Walmart one day just to put in the store for makeup appointments, and I ended up buying one for myself because I love this crease color that I'm using, which is almost like a brick color. I feel like brick is so nice on dark skin as a transition shadow, so that's why I love this color. And then I'm just using a lighter color from the same palette to do my brow bone. Here you see me adding my NYX Glitter Prime Eye just before adding my loose pigment shadow from Inglot. Inglot has a lot of loose shadows. This one I bought a long time ago and I absolutely love it. It's almost like a rose gold. It's so sparkly. The sparkle is not even picked up on camera right now, but I really, really, really love this. I use it every day. Next, I'm just gonna do my eyeliner and my mascara. And for my everyday, I don't like to use my expensive mascaras. Eyeliners, I don't mind, but for purpose of everyday makeup, I use Essie, which is a Shoppers Drug Mart brand of liquid eyeliner, which I love because it stays on, and the mascara is okay too. Here I'm just putting on my foundation. I already did my primer, which is an e.l.f. mattifying primer. The foundation that I use is L'Oreal Lumi C6 in True Match. That's for my everyday. I actually love Born This Way foundation and concealer right now by Too Faced, but this is what I use for everyday. When I go out, I use Born This Way. This actually really does the trick. It's not as if these foundations are that cheap anymore. Lumi's like $22 now Canadian, so actually I really, really like it. Once I do that, I start to conceal. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan to do my under eye conceal. One trick I learned from Jackie Aina is to let that dry down before you apply the loose powder. And the loose powder I'm using is LA Girl Banana Powder. I love that powder. It's always sold out and I'm always getting like 2 or 3 at a time because it's just the perfect price, the perfect color. And yeah, so now I'm just doing that, putting on my powder. I'm gonna let my concealer set for a little bit. While I do that, I'm just gonna clean up around my brows and my eye area that I like to do. Now I'm gonna do a light contour. I never do a heavy contour. For my contour, I also use LA Girl Pro Concealer in Mahogany. I just do a very, very light contour and then I do my whole face with Studio Fix. I will never give up my NW45, you guys. Put a little bit of that same brick eyeshadow under my eye, and now I'm doing my cheeks. For my cheeks, I use a classic MAC blush called Raisin. You might already know it. And I also use an Laura Geller highlight. Sorry, but it's early. Yeah, so once I use the Laura Geller highlight, if I'm going out or I want to do a little bit of extraness, I use Fenty Trophy Wife. I put a little bit in the eye area near my tear duct, and of course just a touch on the top of my cheeks, because this one, you guys, you could see from all the way down the street. So you have to take it easy. So yeah, I'm almost done. I've done everything except my gloss. Don't forget that you can book an appointment with me to get a lesson or your makeup done at any time at 988 Concept. I'm gonna finish it up with my last thing, which is my lip gloss from Fenty. I love this lip gloss. I don't wear it that often because I love a matte lip, but that's it, you guys, we're done. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.